Hello, welcome Nareshwari to my channel. How are
Okay,
you?
ma'am. I am good, ma'am. Thank you for asking.
Okay, so could you introduce yourself, please?
Okay, ma'am. My name is Nareshwari Thakur. I am from Chhattisgarh, and my hobby is listening music. And now I am very passionate to learning this language. So I listening podcast and reading books, ma'am.
Oh, nice. How do you usually spend your time during the day?
Okay, okay, ma'am. I start my day first. I wake up 6 o'clock, and after that I freshen up. Then I start my day in kitchen, enter my kitchen, and I usually make my making breakfast for my son. He went to the school
Hmm.
7:30. After that I prepare whole member breakfast. Then I cook food. After that I do myself. I read a book, and I try to learning this language, ma'am.
Right. Okay, nice. So, do you prefer staying at home or going outside in your free time? And why?
Okay, ma'am. I prefer stay at home, ma'am. Because if I go outside, so not suitable for me travel. That's why
Okay, so why? What is the reason behind of this?
I usually starting if I went go out, so my headache started, ma'am. Pain.
Oh, so you can't travel. This is
Yes,
like
ma'am.
because of physical problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is maybe, and I was thinking maybe you are also a homemaker and a mother, so that's why your situation not allowed to go outside. But your reason
Yes.
is a little bit different. So, how much time do you usually spend on your phone or laptop daily?
Okay. It. Uh, I think so. 2 hours, ma'am. In afternoon, I usually spend my times my
Okay,
phone.
and
And
during the scrolling reel, what kind of content you want to uh, watch?
mm, I usually you watching video, ma'am, conversation and related to English.
Okay. So yeah, this is good way. Like watching useless content is, not productive, but you utilize your time in good manner. It's good. You can learn lots of things, and especially spoken English. We must watch to this kind of content. Otherwise, we can't learn. What is one activity you do every day without fail?
My activities, when I get time, I
Hmm.
read books. And sometimes I listening song. I feel refreshed while doing household chores, and I speaking with co-learners,
Mhm.
and I every time I am try to learning new things, ma'am.
Okay. So, have you learned any useful skill online recently?
Now I am trying only this language, ma'am. I will try to learning.
Okay. So, you are you focused only on spoken English.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, nice. What platforms do you usually use to learn uh, this language?
Mm, I usually use in my phone YouTube and Facebook.
For spoken English.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I usually talking with my co-learners friend WhatsApp group.
Okay. Nice. So, do you prefer short videos or long, detailed explains why?
Okay, ma'am. I am usually I am listening full video.
Long
Uh,
videos.
yes, ma'am, because I put my mobile in the wall and
Mhm.
I am preparing food in the kitchen. That time I am using.
Okay, so yeah, like you try to kill two birds with one stone, and it's good thing. Like you can complete your duties, like especially household chores, cookings, and then at the same time you can learn lots of things while using
Yes,
videos, conversation
yes, ma'am.
videos. So you use conversation video or podcast or something else?
Yes, ma'am. I try to sometimes different kind of. Sometimes I am listening podcast videos. Sometimes I am listening conversation videos and watching, ma'am.
Okay. So, what kind of things do you like to learn online? Only spoken English, learning English, or something else?
Now my focus is only spoken English, ma'am, right now.
Okay.
And
Okay. Otherwise, you enjoy like learning cooking skills from online, or maybe some fitness or something else.
yes, ma'am. Actually, I usually do in morning time. I do yoga, ma'am.
Okay. So, yeah, like you learn from online, or you do your own.
I do my own, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Nice.
ma'am.
So, is there any skill you started learning but did not complete? What happened?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Actually, I have started learning English and it is not completed because earlier we have environment, that's why. But
Okay.
right now it is possible because we have WhatsApp group and we have many co-learners, so it is
Hmm.
possible, ma'am, now.
Oh, so maybe WhatsApp app is very useful for you for
Yes,
learning English.
ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
And you joined any paid group or free group?
No, ma'am. I have only free group right now. Earlier, I joined Sunita ma'am groups. After completed 1 month, I left there, ma'am.
Okay, and nowadays maybe lots of women are very aware of this kind of group, and lots of women they created their own free WhatsApp group. They can interact with each other, they can support each other, and I can say this is win-win situation for all of us because we can learn together because
Yes,
in
ma'am.
the typical middle class family we don't have this kind of environment, we can't practice especially spoken English practice in family, so we need partner. And
Mm,
I think lots of women they don't have a good experience with other platforms, and
mm,
especially common platforms where men's and women's both are
mm,
like a co-learner, so that's why they nowadays I realize one thing, women's choose especially women group only, they feel comfortable
mm,
with their with this kind of group.
right, ma'am.
So WhatsApp is useful this time. I can say I also started my
Mm,
journey with WhatsApp, and yeah, now I can convey my thought. I know I made lots of mistakes, but still I'm in learning process, and one day I'll definitely achieve my goal, and you also.
right, ma'am.
If you had unlimited time, what new skill would you like to learn?
First of all, I want to complete my English language journey, ma'am. I want
Okay.
to speak fluently.
So you are very passionate about spoken English. You don't uh, what is your future plan after learning this language? What you want in future? And especially today is a new year. So I think this is a right question. Like what is your future goal for this year?
Okay, ma'am. One up, I want to become fluent English speaker, and other one is I want to become teacher, ma'am.
Oh, so teaching is your dream job. Okay. So now currently you are working or only a homemaker?
Currently, I am homemaker, ma'am.
Okay. But after learning this language, you will try for teacher as a teacher job.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, nice. Very nice, dear. And very first time I I seen this person, like you are very passionate. Like your all answer related to English only. You are very passionate about this language, and I
Yes,
feel
ma'am.
happy.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, so do you prefer learning alone or with someone? Why?
Yes, ma'am. Because we are learning this language, so it is not possible, ma'am. Only one. We need
Oh,
friend.
right.
Yes, yes. Because without speak, we can't learning this language.
Yeah, and yeah, we need friend. Otherwise, we can't interact. And like spoken English is, I can say, we can divide in two parts: input and
Right.
output. Input through listening and watching podcast and video and conversation video all, and reading also, shadowing practice also. But output only whenever we start speaking. So if we balance both the thing, input and output, then we can think about spoken English. Otherwise, no. So we need some friend, then we can, interact with them and with together, and then we can learn this language.
Right, ma'am.
So is this goal related to your career, health, or personal development?
Yes, ma'am. Right.
Okay, yeah, and you already mentioned you want to become teacher, so you really want to learn this language.
Yes.
So when did you started this journey, spoken English?
I have started 2 months ago, ma'am.
What changes do you want to make in yourself this year?
Okay. I want to change myself, procrastinate, ma'am.
So you are also a procrastinator.
Yes, ma'am. Sometimes I used to thought I will wake up 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock, but it is not possible. But I want to wake up, ma'am, early in the morning.
But 3 a.m. and 4 a.m. is quite difficult. Uh,
Yes,
I think you can choose 5 a.m. is so usually when you wake up.
I usually wake up 5:30 or 6 o'clock, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, so yeah, but whenever we want to need more time, then the time we need wake up early. Otherwise, being a homemaker and being a mother, we can't say manage all the thing at the same time. We need some time to for our personal growth and personal skills
Mm.
also. Yeah, so morning time is good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what is your favorite food and why do you like it?
Okay. My food is simple, ma'am.
Okay,
Dal, vegetable, and chapati. I
okay.
prefer to home food, ma'am.
Home food, like घर का खाना,
Yes,
you like it.
yes, yes,
And
ma'am.
is the health wise, we can say this is good habit. Like if
Yes, ma'am.
someone like to junk food and outside like restaurant style food, so this is not good for health. So we can say घर का खाना is best choice.
Yes, ma'am.
So do you enjoy cooking or prefer eating outside?
Yeah, I enjoy cooking, ma'am.
So like all the time you want to eat like घर का खाना or sometime you feel urge to eat something outside.
Yes, ma'am. I usually prefer home food and in outside food. When we are going outside, that time we feel tired and a special day, just like birthday.
Mhm.
So I prefer outside food, ma'am.
Like once in a blue moon, not
Yes, ma'am.
usually. Yeah, right. And this is good thing.
Yes, ma'am.
Very first time we interact with each other, and it's a nice experience with you. So I think this is
Hmm.
enough for today, and definitely we will meet soon. So,
Ma'am,
how was your experience with me?
nice, ma'am. I feel very happy today. And today is my first conversation with you, ma'am. And today is New Year. Happy New Year. And Happy New Year, ma'am. You grow in your life.
Same to you. Same to you,
Right.
dear.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.